Hi guys, welcome back to our channel The BioManiac. Today we are going to look at a topic that has annoyed us for quite some time. What are hiccups and why do we need them? Let's first look into the reason why hiccups are formed and what they are. Hiccups are repeated spasms of your diaphragm paired with a hic sound from the closing of the epiglottis. Two things happen when you hiccup. Your diaphragm pulls down between breaths, making you suck in air, and the space between the vocal cord closes to stop more air coming in. The major reasons for hiccups are low levels of carbon dioxide, irritated nerves, and mainly the phrenic nerve. So here we have a glossary for those of you to whom some of the terms used are new. Triggers for mild hiccups are drinking quickly, eating hot spicy food, anesthesia, overconsumption of alcohol, stress, or inhalation of toxic fumes. So here are some of the self-help strategies that you can do to cure your hiccups. Hold your breath, take deep breaths, breathe into a paper bag, and all these three steps increases blood CO2 level that triggers deep breathing. The steps which you are going to see are not related with the blood carbon dioxide level. Have hot water or a honey drink. Resets nerve impulse which vanishes hiccups. Suck on a lemon. Acidity disrupts nerve impulse and resets the phrenic nerve. And lastly, drink a glass of water slowly, the most widely known one, while holding your breath. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you learned something new. Catch you tomorrow.